Factorization. Factorization of what? No. Here we are going to factorize the algebraic expressions. Do you know what is algebraic expression? Factor. We are going to split that given algebraic expressions into factors. So, splitting the given algebraic expression as product of factors. Look. There are 3 ways, actually 4 ways. One is by finding a common factor. And the second one is by grouping. And third one is changing it as difference of 2 squares. And the fourth one, factorization of the form ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. Here, this first one, finding a common factor, means we have to observe how many terms are there. For all the terms, there will be one common term will be there. For example, take this 6a plus 3ab. It is an algebraic expression. Initially, in what manner it is shown? It's a sum of 2 terms. What we are trying is, we have to transpose this as product of 2 things. Instead of this plus, multiplication should come. Okay. Then you may think, why don't we erase this plus, put to minus? Sorry, I told you what? Instead of plus, multiplication should come. Is that be very easy? Yes, it is easy, but this is not how it works. Both values should be same. Okay. This 6a plus 3ab is way different than 6a into 3ab. So, we will try in a proper way. First, identify the terms. Look out for a common factors. In this 6 is there, we go by one. Like first we will check, investigate the numbers, then we will investigate the variables. So, here 6 is there, 3 is there. What is common factor? Three for numbers. Yes, 6 also divisible by 3, 3 also can be divisible by 3. Likewise, now look at for the variables. Here a is there, there ab is there. Like the same, this both a and ab can be divisible by a. So, this is the common factor for both of this. Okay. And we are taking that common factor out. Finding a common factor and bringing that common factor out. So, 3a will be outside, and the 6a, from the 6a, a is went out, from 6, 3 is went out, then 2 will be remaining, plus this 3 went out, this also gone out, then plus b. So, now 3a is one factor, 2 plus b is one factor. This may sounds difficult for you maybe. See, I said 6 is there, we are taking 3 from 6. Actually, it is 3 only, right? If you are taking 3 from 6. No. Okay. Actually, what does that mean? So, by taking common factor means, again, if you are multiplying that inside, we should get the same numbers. Okay. If I have written 3 here, will it give 6 again? No. Then what number will give us 6? 2. That is why I am writing 2. Okay. Maybe sounds quite confusing. Our end of the day motto is factorization. So instead of doing in this manner, we'll do by the grouping method, in which we are factorizing a term by term. We took one term and we'll write the factor for numbers as well as factor for variables. The same example I am taking. See, 6 can be factored as 2 into 3, and that a is written as it is. So the 6a, how I written? 2 into 3 a as it is, and this 3 ab as 3 into a into b. Now look out for the common factor again. 3 is common, a is common. We'll write the 3 out, a out. If this 3 and a went out, means remaining what will be inside? These two circles removed, then remaining 2. Okay. Plus, here also 3 and a taken out, then remaining b. Which one would be easy for you? This HCF or this grouping method? Which one is easy for you, man? The previous one or this one? Okay. 3xy square plus 3x square y square. Sorry, 9xy square. 9x square y square. Okay. Now we are going to take common factors for this using the grouping method. Okay. So this can be written as 3 into x as it is x, y square we can write it as y into y. Someone is very tired. You are feeling sleepy, right? Don't worry. We'll finish with this grouping method itself. Tomorrow we'll see the remaining. Okay. Then plus this 9 can be factored as 3 into 3. Only we should use the prime factorization. Remember the prime factorization? Have you seen prime factorization? Yes. Using prime factorization, we should factor the number, because that is what will give us the unique factors. Okay. Now here x square is there. How this can be written in product form? X into x. This y square can be written as y into y. Now there are two terms. For your better understanding, I wrote one below the another. Now mark all the same terms. This 3 and this 3 common terms. This x and this x and this 2y into that 2y. Okay. So those things can be taken out as common. So for this 2, 3, I am writing 1, 3 out. This x, I am writing 1x out. For this 2y, I am writing 2y out. Into this, we shall write simply like y square, because y into y, what we are looking for is factors. 3x into y square. Then in this first term, anything is remaining? Three we taken out, x we taken out, y square we taken out. Anything is remaining? No. Then 1 will be in that place. Remember, when this multiplied inside again, the same should come. Will it come or not? Yeah. Then plus, here this is removed, then this guy will be inside 3 and this guy will be inside x. Okay. This is how we should factorize in grouping method. In this, 3 is factor of this as well as x is factor of this as well as y square is factor of this, and also this 1 plus 3x is another factor for this. Okay, good. You want me to explain this again? Am I audible? Okay. Yes, I can hear you. See, I'll tell you once again. See, for this whole expression, this algebraic expression. Oh, sorry. Suddenly, you went to London Bridge. Okay. See, for this whole algebraic expression, this 3 is a factor for that expression, x is a factor for that expression, and y square is factor for the expression, and this 1 plus 3x as a factor for this expression. So, totally how many factors is that having? 1, 2, 3, 4 factors. How many factors? 4 factors. Okay, likewise here count the number of factors. 3 is one factor, a is one factor, 2 plus b is one factor. Totally how many factors? 3 factors. Okay, that is it. Then the next type, or else shall we solve some examples in these two type and we will move on to the next type? Shall we? Just few examples. Once you answer correctly, the session ends. Then we'll what? Oh, you're thinking about those assignments. Simply 5 questions, man. We'll finish this 5 assignments in 5 questions. Okay. Don't worry. Simple only. 8a plus 12ab. Whichever method applicable, you apply and find out the common factor. For 8 and 12, what you can say the common factor? Both comes in what table, man? 4 table. So, we'll take 4 out. So, here a is there, then ab is there. Anything common between the two? A is common. We can take. So, here 4 is out means again that 4 comes in, 8 should come here. Then what number we should replace here? 2. Okay. So, this a we have taken out plus. So, again that 4 comes here, 12 should come here. Then what number should be written? 4 multiplied with what will give you 12? 3. A removed, then B. That is all. If I are going with the grouping method means we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into A plus 2 into 2 into 3 into A into B. Then anything common between this double 2 and this A. This double 2 taken out means 4. This A taken out means A. Remaining, here what will be remaining? 2 plus here 3B. Be remaining. Okay. Okay. And question number 2. This one you have to do. X square minus xy. Simple. Either method is what? X we can take a note. Then remaining what will be inside? X minus y. That is it. Then question number 3. 64ab minus 4a. Is that only 4 is common? No, man. Write this as a product of linear factors. Or else think which will come here. 64 and 4 will come in which table? 4. Minus. Yeah. Where is this B went? Minus B. Yeah. See, I can surely say that you are confused and you are not focusing here fully. All your mind is thinking about your assignments and your deadlines. God, when I am going to finish those assignments, when this session will get over? Why this Saris keep asking me questions? I couldn't sleep also. See, whenever, for which time we have to give importance to which one we have to do. Okay. See, even though you have many assignments, while doing one, if you are thinking about another, you are doing your math assignment, for example, you are thinking about your physics assignment, which comes later. How you will focus on your math assignment then? Will it stop right way? No. You will think about the another assignment while doing the physics. Okay, at least will it stop by the last assignment? No. When you are doing the last assignment, you may think, when this will get over, when I will take a sleep, when I will be rest, when I will take rest. So be in the moment, man. Right now, what moment you are in, with that moment, you have to give your full support, full effort, you have to give. Okay. Understood? So you can't focus fully here. Then we'll wind up right away. We'll continue tomorrow. Is that okay? Thursday I have another assignments. Another appointments. Okay, let me try. We'll finish with this one. Okay. This third one we'll finish. Okay. See, for the 64, we wrote 16. See, look at this. A and A is common. Why don't we take that out? 4A. So, for this 64, we compensated with 16. This A taken away. Remaining B. So, 16B minus 4 is taken away. A is taken away. Then what will be there? When everything is taken away, only 1 is remaining. Also remember, when everything is taken away from you, there will be only 1 is remaining. That 1 is who? Is you. So don't lose hope. When everything is taken away, you have yourself. Monday motivation. Done. Okay. Shall we see one more example or shall we wind up? No. We'll wind up right away because you can't focus here. As I told you, if you answered correctly, we'll wind up. I said. Did I said or not? I want you to understand this. You don't even ready to understand this means what I can do. See, I can prepare like the world's tastiest food. What if the person is not hungry? Even it is world's most tastiest food, the person is not hungry, he can't eat. It's waste. So, I'll serve you the same in the next class. Okay? I'll make sure it will not get spoiled. We'll make fresh one. Okay? Then tomorrow, if possible, we may have one session. Okay? You let me know the timing. Also, you let me know whether you are comfortable with this time or not. If not, we'll change our slot to 8 p.m. Yeah, that is okay. Not a problem. It's up to your wish. Whenever 2000 essays, sir. 2000 word essays. Okay. Then good luck with your assignments. Finish that as soon as possible. Also finish that before the deadline. Don't rush it up on the day before the deadline. Okay. That I know. That is why I'm telling you. Okay. Whatever. Do your assignments correctly. And I'll see you in the next session. You let me know when we'll have the next session. Okay. Okay. Bye bye.